Ever wondered how much your daily habits impact your mental health? Here are 7 ways to de-stress and relax. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Healthy living plays a significant role. Stress, a common trigger for depression, isn't just a state of mind. It's a complex mental health issue that requires attention, understanding, and often professional treatment. However, alongside therapy and medication, adopting certain lifestyle changes can play a crucial role in managing stress and enhancing overall well-being. These changes aren't monumental tasks. They're simple, doable actions that can be incorporated into your everyday life. From regular exercise and hobbies to adequate sleep and relaxation techniques, these habits work towards creating a healthier, happier you. They're about building strength, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally, and fostering connections, not just with others, but with yourself. So, ready to make a positive change? Let's delve into 7 lifestyle changes that can help keep stress at bay. Participate in performing arts. First up, we have participating in performing arts, a creative and effective way to express yourself and release any pent-up emotions. Whether it's singing, dancing, or acting, find your passion and let it fuel your creativity. Engaging in the performing arts can serve as a therapeutic outlet, providing a sense of accomplishment and boosting your mood. And the best part? You're in control of this creative journey. Remember, every step counts towards a healthier you. Journaling. Moving on to another crucial aspect of stress management, journaling. It's not just about expressing your thoughts and feelings, but it's also a way to identify stressors and develop effective coping strategies. Journaling can help you gain a better understanding of your emotions, leading to improved self-awareness and mental clarity. Remember, a clear mind contributes to a healthier mental state. Yoga. Next in line is yoga, a powerful tool for both physical and mental relaxation. It combines deep breathing, meditation, and physical movements, promoting an overall sense of well-being. Regular practice of yoga can alleviate stress, improve focus, and enhance your mood. It's time to roll out that yoga mat and embrace the path to peace and relaxation. Relaxation techniques. Let's talk about relaxation techniques. Techniques such as deep breathing and meditation can help calm your mind, reducing stress and anxiety. With regular practice, you can improve your focus and mental clarity, enhancing your ability to handle stress. Remember, it's not about how long you practice, but about making these techniques a regular part of your routine. Indulging in hobbies. Our 5th lifestyle change revolves around indulging in hobbies. Whether it's gardening, painting, or reading, find what brings you joy and make time for it. Hobbies can provide personal satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment, serving as an effective stress reliever. So let's make a pact to embrace hobbies that bring us joy and contribute to our mental well-being. Engage in physical exercise. Let's talk about engaging in physical exercise. As we've discussed before, regular exercise can boost your mood and help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about staying fit, but also about releasing stress and improving mental health. So, whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a gym session, remember, every bit of physical activity counts. Connect with others. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of connecting with others. Sharing your feelings with a trusted friend or family member can provide emotional support and help you navigate through tough times. Building strong relationships with family, friends, and community members is like weaving a safety net of emotional support around us. Remember, you're never alone. Reach out, connect, and share. The power of social connection in improving our mental health is immense, and it's there for us to tap into. Conclusion. So, those were the 7 lifestyle changes to help manage stress and relax. We explored how participating in performing arts can serve as a creative outlet. We underscored the significant role of journaling in identifying stressors and developing coping strategies. We delved into the benefits of yoga for physical and mental relaxation. We talked about the power of relaxation techniques in reducing stress and anxiety. We highlighted the importance of indulging in hobbies for personal satisfaction and stress relief. We emphasized the significance of regular physical exercise for mood enhancement and stress management. Lastly, we focused on the power of connecting with others for emotional support and stress reduction. These are not just steps to manage stress, but also to lead a balanced and fulfilling life. Try to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Remember, every small change contributes to a healthier and happier life. Start today. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.